Do it for the city. Oh, you see me rapping, nigga. Finally famous, nigga.
I'm coming off that west side with niggas on that fresh shit. But catch me on the east side with some bitches you can't mess with. I'm a Detroit player, stacking my paper. Stack it so high, I need a fucking elevator. I'm a deep boy, I'm a deep boy.
Yeah, what up, Big Shine, nigga,
I'm a deep
finally famous, Detroit shit.
Dope
boy, cash out. Yeah. Free my nigga Rod, come on. I'm a D nigga, keep it G nigga, I'm getting it. Can't you see nigga, these white diamonds like a key nigga, but this yellow ice like P nigga. 2 chains, I'm on 3 nigga, I'm who your little brother wanna be nigga. If I ain't in your girl, I'm in the streets nigga. 40 count, don't try to creep nigga. Sleep nigga, you a weak nigga. Dope boys is not to be fucked with. She ignoring your calls and play with my balls and doing it all while she suck dick. I'm on Sussex on the west side, but my east side bitch rolling with me. I fuck her good and I throw her 50, then drop her off with my soldier with me. I don't trust the soul, cause in the D it's cold, but not that cold, cause I be wearing minks. Sipping hoes when I walk in Spinks. Yo, bitch drunk cause I bought the drinks. Give her a wink and I make her smile. Girls wanna fuck cause I be making thoughs. Top down, that bell loud. All I'm hearing is bitches yell out. There go Big Shine and there go the kid. Them niggas doing the big. They'll take your bitch and show her how life's supposed to be lived.
I'm coming off that west side with niggas on that fresh shit. But catch me on the east side with some bitches you can't mess with. I'm a Detroit player, stacking my paper. Stack it so high, I need a fucking elevator. I'm a deep boy, I'm a deep boy. I'm a deep boy, I'm a
Sad ain't go.
About 3 cell phones and them bitches work. I say, Louis with the Gucci, niggas say I'm perk. I say, AK-47, bitch, I need a turf. I say, Lambo on the lodge, bitch, you see me swerve.
Every night I count up, cake with a cold, bitch, I must say. Roll with the crush face, my old hoes got the crush face. Making dough in the day that can feed the whole hood, bitches. How you niggas getting money in your whole hood snitching? Don't be watching the television, but it's flats in every room. D-boy of the year, bitch, I got plaques in every room. Got a strap in every room, stacking dough until I'm rich. Couple duffels, double flip, got the rushes on my dick. I feel like Maserati Rick in 85. Great Poupon on my motherfucking sandwich, ho. Cutting up some cantaloupe. Why super bad Spanish bitch, kiss on my pinky. Gator pink stinky, make her get kinky.
I'm coming off that west side with niggas on that fresh shit. But catch me on the east side with some bitches you can't mess with. I'm a Detroit player, stacking my paper. Stack it so high, I need a fucking elevator. I'm a deep boy, I'm a deep boy.
You see it?
I'm a deep boy, I'm a deep boy. I'm a deep boy, I'm a deep
B.I.G.
boy. I'm a deep boy, I'm a deep boy.
Man, I'm just west side rapping. Bad bitch undressing. East side connected. Holla if you need connections. Boy, I'm fresh up off of that mile. You know I'm repping that 7. Bought my mom a new crib to show her she could be alive and see heaven. Fur coat, I'm Chewbacca. Drunk off rose and vodka. Saw them niggas talking shit, so I beat their ass and fuck my new watch up. I'm a Detroit player. They gon' have to put me next to Barry Sanders and Isaiah. No handouts, tell these niggas all pay up. Cause they ain't give me shit when I was broken on the way up and I made it. Cash out, D-girl, ass out. Hood niggas, army guns, bustin' like they the black ops. Your girlfriend like to ride, don't she? Whoop my out, I might let her put some miles on it. Say I don't rep the D, that's the dumbest shit. You seen them Cardis whipping out on 106.
Bitch, I'm coming off that west side with niggas on that fresh shit. But catch me on the east side with some bitches you can't mess with. I'm a Detroit player, stacking my paper. Stack it so high, I need a fucking elevator.